welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ariana. If you are not, thank you for being here. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment down below, and let's get started. So today's video is going to be, as you can tell by the title, how I style my damaged hair. So first things first, I do have a couple videos on my channel already about my hair. I have a video about me cutting my hair into like it's a DIY V-line layered haircut. I also have a video about bleached hair care, which you can see where I tell you about my whole hair journey and how I got here. I also have another video about me dyeing my hair gray, blue, pastel blue, smoky blue, gray, and this is another hair video for you I thought I would record. Today's video is going to be about how I style my hair on a regular day. Okay, so this is what we have to work with right now. It's dirty, it's messy, it's oily, my roots are oily, and it's just knotted and tangled and it needs help. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm actually going to wash it, and I do when I wash my hair to take care of it, and how I style it, and how I set up my hair from a wash day for like the rest of the week, to make sure it looks healthy and it doesn't look as damaged as it really is. After I finish shampooing my hair, I put in conditioner and I let it sit for like a good 5 minutes, like without touching it. I just let it sit in my hair so it can just like deep condition it. So then when I finish, because like after I shampoo my hair just feels really like dry, and like the texture is really weird. It's just like, it feels really like dry, wet hair, if that makes any sense. If you know what that feels like, then I'm sorry. Hopefully you don't ever have to feel that on your hair. Like, it needs help after I like just wash it with shampoo. So me leaving the conditioner in like and letting it sit just really like lets it soak up into my hair follicles and let it deep condition my hair, so when I dry it and like when I get out the shower, it's soft and manageable, and my hair is naturally straight, so it makes it easier for my hair to be tame and less tangled. And another thing, when I'm washing my hair, I do try to use lukewarm water, cold water to wash my hair, and I try to stay away from like really scorching hot water when I'm washing my hair and when I'm putting water on my hair, because my hair is damaged, and heat will just further damage my already damaged hair. So if you can, sometimes I get lazy and I just use the same water that I'm showering with, and I just don't care. But if you can, try not to use hot water. So now I'm gonna go take a shower and wash my hair, and I will be right back. So I just finished washing my hair, so it's all wet and damp and whatnot. I'm like so tired. That was exhausting. Just going to comb it out. So I'm going to be using my wide tooth comb. This helps me get the knots out without like ripping out a whole bunch of my hair. So I'm going to start at the bottom, and I'm just combing it just to make sure that the knots are all out, detangling it. I didn't put anything in it yet. I'm just trying to get the knots out so it can be smooth. So after I finish this, I am just gonna let it air dry a little bit, so I don't have to apply as much heat as I would if it was this wet when I blow dry it. I like managed to keep my whole face on. After like showering and washing my hair, my makeup looks pretty intact. Don't ask me how I did it. Alright, so now it's all combed out, detangled, straight. This is how much hair I lost. Just put some leave-in conditioner in it, just so while it air dries, it will be a little bit less frizzy. Pharma Professional Care leave-in conditioner for dry and damaged hair. My mom gave this to me after I started buying a whole bunch of hair care products. I just like the way it smells, so that's why it smells like milk and honey and coconut, so it's amazing. So that's why I use this. So I just put a little bit in my hands and I'm just running it through my hair, just dispersing it. I like to get my ends and just like swivel them in my hands so that they're as straight as possible, because when my hair dries my ends just look fried and frizzy. So running it through, I don't want to put a lot because I don't want it to look like too over oily, and I'm kind of avoiding my root area when I'm putting my leave-in conditioner because my natural hair gets really oily fast, and with bleached hair you want to avoid washing it. For like, you don't want to wash bleached hair like every 2 days. That's just gonna damage it further. I would say like I wash my hair once a week. Before I bleached my hair used to get very oily easily, very quickly, and I used to wash it like every 2 to 3 days. So I do have something for the oil now, just for my roots. For when my roots get oily, I use dry shampoo. Again, all my hair care products are in my bleached hair care video. So now I just finished putting my leave-in conditioner in my hair, and I'm just gonna let it sit and air dry for a while and try to get it like as straight as possible. That's the whole reason I combed it out, just to make sure it dries in this way. And then depending on if I want a middle part or a side part, I would do that now and let it dry. I think I'm gonna stick with the middle part. We're just gonna let this air dry and I'll be back when I'm ready to blow dry. So my hair is pretty much dry. This is about the driest that it will get. Well, I am done waiting. So now I'm going to blow dry it, but first I am going to go ahead and put in some heat protectant. So this is a Tresemme heat protectant. I use this one because I also like how it smells. So I'm just spraying this all over my hair and just dispersing it like evenly, and just like to the areas where I'm hitting heat. So on my blow dryer, I'm actually putting the heat on medium and I'm using the high setting. So I'm not putting the heat on high, it's on medium. So less heat, the better. All right, so now I'm just rough drying my hair a little bit more because it was still damp, but I need it to be completely dry. So I'm just going through it and all the wet spots and the damp spots. I'm just blow drying it out and getting it completely dry, and I'm not really styling it yet. I'm just rough drying it and making sure that it is not damp anymore. So this is the complete level of dryness that it is at, and it's pretty wavy, so I'm going to start styling it. So I decided that I'm going to just blow dry it straight. So taking sections of my hair from the back to the front, I parted it in the middle and I brought all my hair forward, and I'm just taking sections and I'm brushing through and just blow drying down following the brush, so that the heat can style it as I'm combing it down, so it just ends up straight. And I'm also alternating between the sides of the hair that I brush. So right now I'm brushing it from the underneath, and then I'm also alternating it to brush it from the top, so that both sides of my hair gets the heat, and it will look more straight and the flyaways will be more tame, and it'll look like I straightened it, I guess, but I blow dried it, as you can see. So that is one side finished. So it looks pretty straight. So now I'm just gonna do the other side. So this is nothing crazy. This is how I style my hair for an everyday like look, going to work, going to school. When I actually go out places, I curl it or straighten it actually sometimes a little bit. So
I'm just doing the other side now. And again, I'm going from back to front, and I'm just sectioning off my hair, but I'm also just like randomly going in and just brushing it just to make sure that I get like every single section. So after I finish blow drying both sides, I'm gonna take my leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to put a small amount and just run that through my whole head. So I do this after I finished blow drying it, just to tame the flyaways a little bit further because I have a lot, and I want to make my hair look pretty shiny but not too oily looking. That's why I didn't put a lot. So my hair is pretty dry, so it doesn't really look like that. It doesn't really have that natural shine, except for like when I straighten it. So I'm just dispersing the leave-in conditioner, and I also put it on the top of my head as well just to flatten that area because I sometimes have flyaways up there and it makes me look like I just woke up when I didn't. So this is my hair from the back. So I usually blow it out this way when I'm feeling pretty lazy and I don't want to straighten it. I feel like this is a little bit less damaging than actually going in with a straightener. So
hair is pretty styled. Usually I do this because I don't want to straighten my hair, but this like second day after this, my hair gets really, it looks really like pretty laid down. Like it's kind of puffy right now, but like after I sleep on it and like keep touching it for like a day, it just like it gets less puffy and less frizzy and it starts to get oily. So second day hair is better than this. Okay, but this is really all I do. Yeah, that's basically it. I only like straighten it like pin straight when I'm like going out or something, but going to class now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like this video. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!